Hello everyone, welcome to Ramaile Padai. Today we are going to solve a question from Unit 11 Construction that was asked in SE 2080 at Gandaki province, and the question says that in a triangle ABC, angle ABC is equals to 60 degree, BC, that is one side of a triangle, is equals to 4.4 centimeter, and AB, which is another side of a triangle, is 5.2 centimeter are given. Okay. In A, construct a triangle ABC according to above measurement. So this is the measurement. Then construct a rectangle MNOC equal in area to the triangle. They are asking us to construct a rectangle. Okay. Let me first make you clear on one concept, that the difference between parallelogram and rectangle is only one, that is the angle. Here the opposite angle in parallelogram are equal, okay, and they can be any angle from 0 to 180 degree, I think, okay, from more than 0 degree to less than 180 degree. However, in rectangle opposite angles are equal, but they are always 90 degree. Okay, so rectangle is one special case of parallelogram. Let me write you here. A rectangle is one special case of parallelogram. So we will construct rectangle imagining that it is parallelogram with angle 90 degree. Okay, that is what we are going to do, because we are not taught how to construct a rectangle, we are only taught how to construct a parallelogram. Now in B, why the areas of triangle and rectangle so formed are equal? Right reason. So this is the reason that we are going to write. Fine. Now let's start with the solution. What is given to us? In triangle ABC, angle ABC is equals to 60 degree, length BC is equals to 4.4 centimeter, length AB is equals to 5.2 centimeter. Okay. Now what we have to do is construct a rough sketch. Here the rough sketch is, so first we will construct a triangle. Okay, so triangle will have base AB, that is our regular thing, we always make base AB, which is equals to 5.2 centimeter. Here the angle ABC is 60 degrees, so this will be the angle, so this is 60 degree. Here BC is 4.4, so here will be marked, it will be C, and this will be 4.4 centimeter. Okay, and we join A and C. So here ABC is a triangle. Fine. Now in construction we always make two parallel lines. So to make line that is parallel with AB, we will construct 60 degree at C and make a line which is parallel to AB. Okay, so these two lines will be parallel. Let me write it M and N. Okay, now what we need is rectangle MNOC. So I can't write MN, that will be E and F. Okay, because MNOC is name that is already given to triangle, so this is EF. Now what we need is MNOC. We have C, so the rectangle should be like this. Okay, so first of all let's draw a perpendicular line from C to AB, so that line makes 90 degree. So I'm using different color, okay, for visualization only. So from C we will draw a perpendicular line here, and this will be MNOC, so O, okay, this is one side OC. And what we know is the area of parallelogram is double the area of triangle. But to make the area of those equal, we need to make the area, what we know is the area of parallelogram is double the area of triangle, standing on the same base and in same lines. But to make the area equal, we need to half the base of triangle. So the base of rectangle or parallelogram will be half the base of triangle, that is 5.2 divided by 2. It will be 2.6 centimeter. So we will measure 2.6 with compass and then mark here. It will be like somewhere here. So this is 2.6 centimeter. This is and we again make mark from here. So C to here, it will be 2.6 as well. This will be M. If we join this M and N, then the rectangle MENOC will have equal area to triangle ABC, okay. So now we will make the construction here, okay. This is solution of A. I forgot to write that. Now we will move on to construction, okay. So here, first of all, we need to make a triangle. So the base of triangle AB is 5.2 centimeters. So we will make a line of 5.2 centimeter. 512. So this is 5.2 centimeter. This one is A. Oh no. This one is A, and this one is B. Okay. Now we need to make a 60-degree angle at B. So using compass, we will make that. Okay, so this is 60 degree, so B, C, and we know that BC is 4.4 centimeter. This is 4.4 centimeter. So we will measure 4.4 centimeter here. So this is 4.4 centimeter. Okay. Now we will join A and C. A and C. So this is C. This is 5.2 centimeter. This is 4.4 centimeter, and this is 60 degree. Okay. Now we need to make a parallel line EF. So we are going to make another angle at C so that we can make parallel lines. Okay. So this is that parallel line. Okay. Now what we have done is constructed a perpendicular line from C to AB so that we can construct OC. So what I am doing is rotate this scale. Oh no, it is actually greater rotation. Rotate the scale such that, look, here the line of 6 lies exactly on the line of the parallel line EF. Where is E? This is E, this is F. Okay, this is E. Here the scale is perpendicular to line EF and AB as well. Why? Because the line of 6, this line, is exactly on this line. So if we construct a line from here, it will be exactly 90 degree. Look, this is somewhat close to 90 degree. Oh, I made a mistake here. Okay, can we redo this? Yeah, okay, we will do this. So what we need to do is now use protector, because the line made by that thing is not that accurate. So it will be somewhat here. Okay, so we will mark something. Okay, so we marked there and we will join. Okay, C to O. This will be O and this will be 90 degree as we have already measured. Now, as we know, the base of rectangle should be half the base of triangle, that is half the AB, and half of AB, that is 5.2, is 2.6. So we will measure 2.6 with compass and then we will mark. Okay, so we need to measure 2.6. So this is 2.6, marking 2.6 from C and marking 2.6 from O. So so this M N O C will be the required rectangle. Okay, let me write MC is 2.6 centimeter. Fine. Okay, this is how we construct the required figure or required diagram. So this is the required construction where triangle ABC has equal area with rectangle MNOC. Fine. So this is solution of question number A. Now we will move on to question number B. Why the areas of triangle and rectangle so formed are equal? So let me first explain what rectangle is. Rectangle is a special type of parallelogram with opposite angles 90 degree. The rectangle and triangles lying between the same parallel lines with base of rectangle of the base of triangle will have equal area. Okay, so this is explanation. As rectangle is a special type of parallelogram with opposite angles 90°, the rectangle and triangles lying between the same parallel lines with base of rectangle half the base of triangle will have equal area. So this is about this solution, and before ending this video I'll show you the triangles and rectangles so formed. So with this blue I am going to show you a triangle first. So this AB, BC and AC. So this ABC is a triangle formed with angle B 60°. Now coming to rectangle, this MNO C is the required rectangle. Okay, so this is about this construction. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.